Which education board has launched a cyber security handbook for a student of class 9 to 12? Correct answer is CBSE. That means Central Board of Secondary Education has launched a cyber security handbook for a student of class 9 to 12. And who is the chairman for the CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education? It's Manoj Ahuja, who has been recently appointed as the chairman for the CBSE. And previously the chairman was Anita Karwal. But now the new chairman is Manoj Ahuja, who has been recently appointed as the chairman of Central Board of Secondary Education. The Indian Air Force will operationalize its number 18 squadron equipped with the low combat aircraft Tejas aircraft in which city? Here the correct answer is Coimbatore. So Coimbatore is the right answer. And the Tejas Express is manufactured by the Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. And remember here one more thing, that the first insect museum was also established in Coimbatore. And Coimbatore you will find in Tamil Nadu. And Tejas name is given by which former Prime Minister? So Tejas name is given by the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And 25 December is celebrated as a Good Governance Day, which is the birthday of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So 25 of December is celebrated as a Good Governance Day. And talking about the Air Force, so Air Force Day we celebrate in 8th of October. I have told you earlier that Air Force has 8 alphabets AIRFORCE, so you can easily remember that 8th of October is celebrated as Air Force Day. Similarly, Navy has a 4 alphabet NAVY, and 4th of December is celebrated as a Navy Day. And one more, Army Day is celebrated on 15th of January. And here the correct answer is Coimbatore. Sahi Lychee and Jardalu mango, which has received the GI tag, that means geographical indication tag, belongs to which state? Here the correct answer is Bihar. So Bihar state. So Sahi Lychee and the Jardalu mango has received the geographical indication tag and belongs to Bihar. And mainly it found in Bhagalpur. So Jardalu Am is mainly found in Bhagalpur. And Bihar capital is Patna, and Phagu Chauhan is the governor, and Nitish Kumar is the CM. And in Bihar you will find the Valmiki National Park also. Hockey legend Balbir Singh Sr., who passed away recently, had on how many Olympic gold medals? Here the correct answer is 3. So he had on 3 Olympic gold medals, and he was one of the greatest player of India, and he passed at the age of 96, and he was from Punjab, and he has given the state honor also. So he has won 3 Olympic gold medals, and Balbir Singh was also first sport person who awarded with the Padma Shri awardee. And here the correct answer is gold medal, Olympic gold medal, 3 Olympic gold medal he had on. HIL India will supply 25 tons of pesticide to which country to control locust invasion? So locust invasion is a huge problem right now, and India will supply 25 tons of malathion. Malathion it's a pesticide which is used to locust control, and India will give it to the which country? So India will give it to Iran. So here the correct answer is Iran, and Iran capital is Tehran, and currency Rial. But now Iran has a new currency called Toman. Toman is the new currency of Iran, and Hassan Rouhani is the prime minister for the same. Surendra Robert that Iran have built, who can speak up to 100 language. So Surendra Robert has been built by the Iranian who can speak up to 100 language, and here the correct answer is Iran. Mohit Gupta, who is in the news recently, is a co-founder of which company? Here the correct answer is Zomato. So he is the co-founder of company Zomato, and Zomato, who is the CEO for the same, it's Deepinder Goyal. And Mohit Gupta, Gaurav Gupta, and one Gunjan Patidar are the co-founder of this company, Zomato company. So there are now 4 co-founder of Zomato, and CEO is Deepinder Goyal. Rayalaseema Lift Scheme, it's a project of which state? So it's a project of Andhra Pradesh state, Rayalaseema Lift Scheme. And this project is in trouble. Why? Because environment clearance is not provided by the National Green Tribunal, NGT. And who is the chairman for the same, for National Green Tribunal? It's AK Goyal. Justice Adarsh Kumar Goyal is the chairman for the National Green Tribunal. So the clearance is not provided by the NGT, and they have put the project on hold of the scheme of this Andhra Pradesh. So it's a project of Andhra Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh has a one elephant reserve also, which is called Raila Elephant Reserves, and there is a one also tiger reserves called Nagarjun Sagar Sirisalam Tiger Reserves. And in Andhra Pradesh you will find Papikonda, Rameswaram, and Lord Venkateswar National Park. And some schemes such as YSR Nirman scheme, which is launched by the Andhra Pradesh government to provide the free cement, as well as Nigha apps, and one more COVID Pharma are launched by the Andhra Pradesh government. And YS Jagan Mohan Reddy is the chief minister for the same. and Bisbhushan Harichandan is the governor of Andhra Pradesh. And here the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. The RBI Reserve Bank of India has announced extension of the loan repayment moratoriums to borrowers by another how many months? Here the correct answer is 3 months. So remember, moratoriums have been extended by another 3 months. So now total 6 months, which means that if you taken a loan from the bank, RBI knows that you do not have a money to pay back. So you are allowed to moratoriums. That means you don't pay back, but this will not be considered as a non-performing asset. And in other words, you will not be troubles if you do not pay your loan back. You do not pay, or EMI for example you can consider. And who is the RBI governor? Governor is Shaktikant Das. The University Grant Commission has directed university and colleges to use online courses of which portal for credit transfer? So which portal will be used? So SWAYAM portal will be used. So here the correct answer is SWAYAM portal. And another portal that has been started for e-governance by HRD Minister. And who is HRD Minister? It's Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank in his constituency in Haridwar in Uttarakhand. So Samarth app was launched by the HRD ministers, and Samarth to provide quality education. So, and who is the chairman for this UGC, that means University Grant Commission? It's Dripender Pal Singh. So Dripender Pal Singh is the chairman for the UGC University Grant Commission. International Missing Children Day 2020 is observed on which of date? Here the correct answer is 25th of May. So 25th of May is observed as a International Missing Children Day, and this year it is also observed on 25th of May 2020. And don't confuse with National Children Day. National Children Day is observed on 14th of November, which is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Chacha ji. And World Children Day is observed on 20th of November. So National Children Day is observed on 14th of November, World Children Day is observed on 20th of November, but International Missing Children Day is observed on 25th of May.